I used to think love and ambition were two clocks ticking in the same room. Same time, same rhythm. Turns out, they're two drummers who don't always agree. She loves like sunrise. Steady, warm, right on time. I hustle like midnight. Headlights on, map open, chasing the next mile. Our first date, I talked about someday. Someday I'll build it. Someday I'll make it. Someday I'll have time.
She laughed and said, "Someday is a calendar that never arrives."
Then she ordered dessert. She lives now. I live next. Here's the heartbeat versus hustle truth nobody told me. Love is presence. Ambition is projection. One asks you to arrive. The other asks you to chase. And if you don't set boundaries, both will call you selfish. There were nights I celebrated wins with strangers and texted her soon like it was a bouquet. There were mornings she left coffee on my desk with a sticky note that said, "I miss us." I told myself, this grind is for us.
She told me love doesn't want a hero, it wants a partner.
So I tried an experiment. Not flowers, hours. I blocked my calendar like it was a meeting with a billionaire. Her name, non-negotiable. I moved one flight. I ended one call on time. I learned to close my laptop with the same intensity I opened it. Something wild happened. My work didn't crumble. My heart didn't either. The deal still closed. The video still shipped. The numbers still climbed. But our dinners got louder. Our silences got softer. My wins felt like ours. Ambition sharpens you. Love softens you. You need both edges to carve a life worth staring at. If you're choosing, don't. Negotiate. Design rituals, Friday phones off, Sunday morning walks. A rule, know soon, say when. A promise, celebrate small, not just big. She loves like sunrise. I hustle like midnight. Every day we meet at golden hour, half light, half drive, where heartbeat and hustle shake hands. And if I ever forget,
She'll tap my chest and say, "Be here."
I'll point to the horizon and say, "We're going there." Then we'll smile, hold both truths, and keep going together.